How to enable push notification in Waze. Stay updated with alerts, traffic jams, and incident. Let's turn on push notification in Waze. Open Waze and tap the three line at top left corner. Then go to settings. In settings, scroll down and tap notification. Toggle on notification if you haven't toggled on. It is for traffic alerts, road hazard, police reports, planned ride reminder. Because you can customize which notification you want so your phone isn't overloaded. And you are all set. Never miss an important road update again. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And see you in the next video. And thank you for watching.